Hi guys, welcome to my Chinese watch collection. My name is Aviv. If it's the first time you're watching one of my videos, I would really like it if you subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell button so you can get notified when I upload new content to my channel, which is all about affordable watches and, like today, tips and tricks about taking care of your watches by yourselves and about shopping AliExpress. So today's episode is all about PolyWatch. And the question is, does it really work? And the answer is, I don't know. I never tried it before. So today we're going to find out together, does PolyWatch work for removing scratches and scuff marks off your watch's crystal? So what we're going to need is obviously PolyWatch. I bought this one on eBay for about $5. It took forever to get here, but it came eventually and I can finally use it. You'll need a microfiber cloth and a cup of your favorite coffee, because this is going to take a while. We'll put these two aside for a moment and we'll start with this Komandirskie. This is a Vostok Komandirskie. It's a Russian watch. It's an automatic self-wind watch with a 24 hours dial. I just got it recently, and the reason you didn't see a review for this one is because the day I got it, the crystal got scratched. After I filmed the unboxing, I was reaching to get my kid out of his car seat and the crystal got scratched. This really bummed me out and I really didn't want to film a watch review with a scratched watch. So I ordered the PolyWatch and now I can finally test it and we can find out together if it really works. So what we're going to do is open the tube and put some PolyWatch on the cloth. Not too much, not too little. And very gently, in a circular motion, work From what I gathered, it might take a while, something like 5 minutes maybe, but let's see how it looks after about 20 seconds. It looks pretty much the same. I'll continue doing this just in circular motions. Maybe I'll put some more. Okay, so this is after about 2 minutes. We can see that the scuff marks are significantly less showing. I'm sure that if I keep doing it, they will go away entirely. I'm going to pause and continue doing this off camera. In about 2 minutes time, I will turn the camera on again and we'll see where we're at. So I've been buffing this crystal for less than 5 minutes and you can see that the scratches, the scuff marks, are completely gone. You can't see even a trace of them. The crystal is completely clean. I think that's amazing. I was hoping it would work, but I really didn't expect such a great outcome. I mean, they're completely gone after less than 5 minutes of work. So you can expect to see the review for this watch pretty soon. And now on this Benyar, this is a Chinese watch. I reviewed it before on my channel. I'll put a link for the review in the description below and right around here. And it also has some scoff marks, which I had on the crystal for over a year. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to do the same on this crystal. I'll put the PolyWatch straight on the crystal where it's scratched, and I'm going to do the same thing, just buff the scratches out in a circular motion for about 3 to 4 minutes. I found that if you place the watch against a hard surface, it's easier to do this. So on this watch it didn't take the scuff marks 100% off, but I think that if I keep at it, it will eventually disappear, but it is much better. I think that maybe the spots that are still here are just places that the scratches were deeper than I thought, and maybe I'll keep scrubbing a little bit more later. Now I'll move on to this Swiss Mondaine watch. This one isn't a part of my Chinese watch collection, it is part of my non-Chinese watch collection, I guess. It used to belong to my dad. It came to me with the crystal really scratched. I hope you can see that. It is really scratched. I think it's a mineral glass crystal, and I think I need to apply PolyWatch to the entire crystal because it is really scratched. Okay, so after scrubbing for about 5 more minutes on this Mondaine, I can say that it didn't really do much difference. There are still scratches on the crystal, and I think I'm ready to give my verdict on PolyWatch. So now that I'm almost out of coffee, I can give my verdict about the PolyWatch. I think it works surprisingly well on acrylic crystals like on this Komandirskie. The scuff marks are completely gone, there's no trace of them. But on mineral crystals like on this Benyar and on this Mondaine, it didn't really do the job it was meant to do. Maybe they're just too badly scratched. This Mondaine for sure it has some deeper scratches, but I don't think that's the case with this Benyar. Maybe I just need to keep at it, but I put way more time in the Benyar and the Mondaine than I did on the Komandirskie, and I got worse results. That's it. That's what I think. What do you think? Did you ever try using PolyWatch? Did it do the job for you? So yeah, that's it. If you liked this video and found it any helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell button so you can get notified when I upload more videos like this one and some more watch reviews. You can also follow me on Instagram, where I post a daily wrist check photo. See which watch I'm wearing every day. You can also connect with me on a more personal level. I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.